بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What should we do to take away the pain of the taking the soul out of the body at the time of death? We have to remember a couple of things. There's a principle says, "Man عاش على شيء مات عليه." The way we live, it's the way we will die. So remember this. So I would like to live my life as much as I can, and I strive to live in a state of obedience of Allah. So when the death moment comes in, I am in a state of obedience to Allah. And then there is a hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, I'll share it with you later. The meaning of is that the soul of the believer, when it leaves the body, leaves it with ease and with joy and smiling and happy, and the angels are waiting for this soul to move, to come back to Allah. Versus the soul of the kafir, of the disobedient and the kafir, the person who does not believe in Allah, will be very hard for her to leave the body, and it will be very difficult and painful. Having said that, still the moment of death has its own struggle and its own pain and its own difficulty. And Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, when he was dying, and he's a Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, when he is dying, he was sweating very hard, and Sayyidah Aisha was looking at him, and he said, "Inna al-mawti sakarat." The death moment has moments of sakarat. Sakarat is actually the way the person is intoxicated, meaning it will be so overwhelmed with what he or she is feeling that if they are intoxicated. So the advice to my beautiful sister, what should we do in our life, is in every moment of our life, let's live with the obedience of Allah, with the code that He wanted for me in everything, in the way I speak, in the way I dress, in the way I interact with people, in the way I interact with the non-Muslims, with the animals, with His creation. Everything has to be a state of worship to Allah. So when I die, in that moment that we all don't know when it will come, I am in a state of obedience, I am a believer, and my soul will love to go and meet its Creator.